Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes. So children, how are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. Okay. Yes, all of you switch on the video, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning. So where we are, children? In the previous period, we started with a
Pythagoras
video,
theorem.
isn't it?
Pythagoras.
Yes, I think so. You were watching a video, right?
Yes,
Video.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But we completed the video, and also you told that what was the video saying?
I'll be explaining about the activity which you have to do, right? And we can explain what is Pythagoras theorem. The topic was Pythagoras theorem, isn't it?
Ma'am, you didn't say the activity.
Yes, ma'am. You didn't say the activity. What is the activity?
Yeah, we'll explain now. Okay, I'll explain now what is the activity which you have to do and also the Pythagoras relation. Now listen, children. We can start. Okay.
Can you keep your mic to closer? I can't hear you. Yes, ma'am.
I can hear all of you now very clear. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice little low. Can you keep your mic?
Mic is full volume.
Can you keep it little close to your mouth, like speak?
Okay. Okay.
Now
Listen, children. I'm just drawing a right triangle for you, and then we can start the explanation from there. Yeah. Now, this is the right angle.
Ma'am, do we have
triangle.
to write this?
You can draw. You can draw.
In the.
Okay. You can draw now. This is the triangle. I'm marking the sides as A, B, and C. And you know where is 90-degree angle? Here it is 90-degree angle. And
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
children,
B, C, A, or C.
yes, we are going to draw squares upon the sides. And you know which is this side? This is known as hypotenuse.
Ma'am, hypotenuse. Yeah. Ma'am, this side AC is
altitude. Seba, which side is the base? Which is the base? BC. Very good. Base is BC. And which is Hiba Fatima? Which is altitude?
AC.
Which is the altitude?
AB.
Which is the altitude? Altitude, I'm asking. It is?
Ma'am, AC.
Yes, AC. Altitude is AC. Now, children, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to construct squares upon the sides. Suppose I'm taking this side as 10 centimeters. Okay, I'm drawing this hypotenuse 10 centimeter, and let this be 8 centimeters and this be 6 centimeters. Children, I'm going to do what? I'm going to draw squares upon the sides equal to the side. Okay, squares equal to the length of the sides. Now listen, what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw the squares. Now I'll draw a 6 centimeter square on this BC. Okay, this is a 6 centimeter square. It's not actual exact measurement, children. Roughly I have taken, and you can see you have to draw 6 centimeter square. You have to draw 6 centimeter square.
Ma'am, that means all the 4 sides should be equal.
Yeah. Now, a square upon the side BC is ready. Now I'm going to draw a square upon the other side. You have to draw along with me.
Ma'am, now can we draw a rough?
Yeah. Do it now. Anyway, I'll take time to complete it. By the time you also can do it. I'm constructing a square.
Ma'am, should we get a...
you have to take just take exact measurement and draw. You have scale, and it is easy for you to draw. Now it is 8 centimeter. Listen, children, along with that. Okay, don't concentrate in drawing alone. What I'm doing is I have constructed a square which is 8 centimeter on the side AC That was 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter. Let this be in blue in color. So square of 8 centimeter. And then I am going to erect a square upon hypotenuse. I am going to erect a square upon hypotenuse. Okay, this I will draw with hand because it's a little bit difficult to draw. I'll place it as white in color. Suppose I'm drawing a square on this, children. I have drawn a square on this. This is 10 centimeter. And let us see, coloring it white. Okay, so see, upon all the sides, I have drawn a square which is equal to, whose sides are equal to the sides of the triangle. Whose sides are equal to
10 centimeter
the sides of the triangle. Listen, 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter square. You know, no? All the sides are equal.
Equal. 4 sides are equal.
All the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal. Here also 6 centimeter. Everywhere it is 6 centimeter. In this square it is 8 centimeter. All the 4 sides. Here also all the 4 sides will be 10 centimeter each. Isn't it? Yes. Square it is. Okay. So what did I do till now? I have drawn a right angled triangle, and the sides I have taken hypotenuse 10 centimeter, altitude 8 centimeter, and base 6 centimeter. Altitude and base, if you interchange also, no problem. And what did I do? I have constructed a square upon the base equal to the side which is a square which is equal to the side of base 6 centimeter itself. Same way, altitude also I have drawn a square, and I have erected a square upon the hypotenuse also equal to the length of the hypotenuse. Clear this much? Okay.
Can you explain one more time?
Which one? This
Square.
which I have simply drawn a square upon the sides. That's all. Okay.
Maybe I did not take exactly measurement.
No. I didn't take exact measurement, but you can take exact measurement and draw. If you are doing in graph paper, it will be more good. But simply in a paper, you do that using color papers. You have to do the activity. Activity I will show you. I'll send the YouTube. Okay. I'll send the YouTube showing.
Ma'am, in the book I can't draw the 10 centimeter hypotenuse.
Okay, then draw simply. Imaginary measures you can draw and just take down the figure. Okay, to understand the rule. Okay, now listen, children. Listen first, then afterwards you can draw. Now tell me what will be the area of this square, children? Fidel, can you tell me area of this is a square? What is the area of a square?
Can I say?
1 minute. Fidel, can you tell area of a square? What is the area of a rectangle?
L into B.
L into B, isn't it? Here L and B are same, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
This
So
is a square.
side.
So what is the area of a square?
Ma'am, 64.
64, very good. That is side into side, isn't it? Area of a square is side into side. We can say it is area of this is 64 centimeter square. What will be the area of this square, children, then? Okay, I call Abhyuday. Abhyuday, can you tell me what is the area of that square?
Ma'am, 6 centimeter, no?
So?
Ma'am, 24.
6 area will be what? Area
24.
No, that is
Ma'am, 36.
36. Area is side into side. No, one side is 6 centimeter. So?
Yes, ma'am. 4 inches.
One side is 6 centimeter. So area will be 6 into 6. That is 36
centimeters.
Centimeter square. Area will be 36 centimeter square. Now tell me the area of this one.
Ma'am, 110.
100. Ma'am, 10 into 10.
100 centimeter square. Okay. So what Till now, what did
Ma'am,
we
so
do?
when we are doing here a rough figure, so do we have to do the side as another number?
100.
Same area 10 you write. Okay, now we are doing with this measurement. Listen, so far what did we do? What did we do? We have constructed a triangle. We have drawn a triangle with base, altitude, and hypotenuse. A right triangle. Base as 6 centimeter, altitude 8 centimeter, hypotenuse 10 centimeter. After that, what did we do? We have erected squares on the altitude and base and also on hypotenuse, which is equal to the measurement of the sides. Then after that, we found the area of each square. We found the area of each square. Area of the blue square, it is 64 cent. Area upon the altitude, it was 64 centimeter square. Area on the base, it is 36 centimeter square. And area upon the hypotenuse was 100 centimeter square.
Then we need to multiply the two sides.
What is the area of a square?
We need to multiply.
What is the area of a square? It is a square. Side into side. That is what is done. Okay. Now listen. Now listen to me. I am going to also just we are going to add the areas of altitude and base. Area of altitude plus base. What is it, children? Area of base and altitude plus altitude. How much you will get?
Plus.
How much? 64 plus?
Ma'am, 7.
Ma'am,
64 plus 36.
36.
How much it is? 64 plus 36. Anna, what is 64 plus 36?
100.
100.
100.
Just compare with the area of hypotenuse, children. Area of the square on hypotenuse.
Yes, ma'am, it is both equal.
Both are equal, isn't it?
Yes.
So we have added the area on the base and area on the altitude. And when we added, we got the sum equal to the area upon the hypotenuse. Correct?
Yes.
And
Yes, ma'am, yes.
so listen, children. So what did we understand? Area, or you can take other measurements and also verify this. This will be the same. If altitude's area and base area you add, you will get the hypotenuse area.
Ma'am, but
You cannot take any measurement. Listen, you
Ma'am,
cannot
in the
take
video
any
it is
measurement. You can have to take Pythagorean triplet, which I will explain to you later. Any measurements if you take, it will not be correct. The sides of it will not form a right angle triangle also, because if it is a right angle triangle, it will fulfill this rule. So if you take any measurements, you cannot draw a right angle triangle. Now listen, so base plus altitude, area of the base plus, so we can write area of the base plus altitude. Area of the altitude is equal to area of the hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Area of the altitude plus area of the base is equal to area of the hypotenuse. Now,
Yes,
the experiment which you have to do is this. You have to draw a triangle like this, cut it out and paste it on a paper. I will show that. Now just simply listen. And you have to make square like this, squares like this. And what you have to do is, I'm going to rub this, children. Listen.
1 second, ma'am. Can
ma'am,
I write it?
Listen. Now listen. After that, I will write if you want. Don't worry. Look at this. Now what you have to do is, the centimeters, everything is there. Now what I will do is, to just verify this, I am going to cut this, this one. See, this one I will cut like this, children. This way and this way. It is shown in the video properly. I will make 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 of this triangle. and I will paste it in this blue itself. I will use, otherwise you won't understand. I will cut it, that piece, that square I will cut, and I will be pasting on the hypotenuse square. Okay, it will look like this. If I paste it like this, it will be looking like this. It will be pasted like this.
Mom, you mean we have to cut that square off?
Cut 4 pieces. You are cutting and pasting. When I shade it, it will be easy for you to understand. I'll shade it. So first piece, when you fill, it will be here like this. Then paste it. Another piece. Next piece.
Mom, another pieces of the base.
You can.
Mom, of the base.
From the bigger one you take 8 centimeters.
The altitude.
Anyone you cut and paste it like this. Better bigger one you cut and paste. Now
yes,
what you have to do is take this portion. Sorry, it became green. Okay. Now take the green part, that is the base. So first I told to cut this altitude piece and put it like this.
Mom, that means on the corners.
Yes. Then take the other part, base, and then don't cut it. You can see that it will fill inside properly in this part. You can take that square piece and put it inside. It will be fitting inside this gap exactly.
Ma'am, cut the 6 centimeter and.
Ma'am, can you send the videos link in the group?
I will send. Did you understand the meaning?
Yes.
What did we do? What did we do in short? In short, what did we do? We have pasted this one. We have pasted, 1 minute. This was blue in color. Okay. We have pasted the altitude square and the base square inside the hypotenuse square, isn't it? And what did we understand? We cut this and pasted inside the hypotenuse square. We cut this and pasted inside the hypotenuse square. Then what did we understand?
Equal.
Ma'am,
its area is, what do you understand from that? We cut both of them and we pasted up inside the hypotenuse. When we did like that, it was fitting inside properly. So what does it mean? What do you mean by that? The area of the altitude plus area of the base is equal to area of the hypotenuse, isn't it? So we can say area of the base is represented by base square. Area of the altitude is represented by altitude square. Isn't it? Square. We have to take, how will you find the area of the altitude? Area of the square on the altitude into the side into side. So we have to represent it by the letter A square. So we can write the same thing. We are writing it like this. Children, so shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am, we wrote it.
One second.
Okay. Or I will write by this side, children.
1 second, ma'am.
I'll write by this side. Listen, so we can write it like this. Area upon the altitude, we can take if one side is A. This was the altitude, no? So A, one side is A, the other side A, all sides are A, isn't it? So what is the area of this altitude? A square. Plus, now this is base. Base, all sides are B centimeter means, what is its area? B square. That is equal to, here again hypotenuse, all sides are H. We can represent it by the letter H. All sides are H. So what will be its area? Area will be equal to
100.
One side is H. So what is area? If Ashish Unni, tell me. One side of the square is H centimeter. H. So what is?
Ma'am, it's equal to H2.
Square.
H square.
H
Yes.
square. H square.
Ma'am,
Square
H
means
square
what,
means
children?
H.
What is the meaning of square? Square
Mom,
means
that
same into same. We sold side into side, no?
Okay.
Suppose if it is
Yes, ma'am.
A square means A into A. B square means it is B into B.
P into
C
P.
square means it is C into
C into
C.
C.
3 square means it is 3 into 3. Numbers
Ma'am, so
into
we have to
same.
write A to A square plus B square is equal to H square, right?
Yes, yes. That is altitude square plus base
Ma'am,
square is
we
equal
get
to
A and
hypotenuse.
B means altitude and base, right?
A is altitude, B is
And
base,
base.
And
Ma'am,
H is
H
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse with H. So we'll write it once more. That is Pythagoras theorem states that video I will send. Don't worry. You have to do the activity and show me on Friday.
Friday?
Ma'am, Friday you mean Saturday?
Sorry, Saturday. Good, Saturday. So we shall
Yes,
write
ma'am.
what is Pythagoras relation. Pythagoras. Don't send it in WhatsApp. I want you to show in the class. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that we can write it first. What is it? Altitude square plus base square equals hypotenuse square.
Hypotenuse square.
Hypotenuse square. Now, altitude we can represent by the letter A. So it will be
Yes,
A
ma'am.
square
A square.
plus base we can represent it by the letter B, base square. That is equal to hypotenuse we can represent it by the letter H, H square.
Yes, ma'am.
So the formula is this.
Ma'am, in theorem there is U, right?
Yes.
I mean E, theorem. THEOREM.
REM. Okay. You write it property. Okay. Pythagoras property. Theorem. Okay, no problem. Just theorem. We are proving it in 10th standard. 10th standard only. 10th standard, we can prove it. Theorem also is correct. No problem. Now tell me, can you say, repeat it, Nia? What is Pythagoras theorem? Just read it.
Altitude square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square.
You can write it Pythagoras property also. Pythagoras property. Because we are learning the properties of triangles, no? So let it be property, no problem. Altitude square, but here we are proving it using the lab activity. Altitude square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Did you understand the meaning of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Altitude
Yes,
square means area of the square on the altitude.
Ma'am,
Area
area
on
of
the
the
square of
square.
the base. Area on the area upon
Ma'am,
the
area of
hypotenuse.
the base plus altitude is equal to hypotenuse.
Yes. No. Yes. You can say like that, but if you learn like that, you will say altitude plus base is equal to hypotenuse, which is wrong. Always study this one,
Yes,
square. Okay, square.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
formula
A
only
square
you
plus
have to
B square
study.
is equal to
If you go for
hypotenuse.
base plus altitude, you will go wrong. Better study with the square. Altitude
Ma'am, that
square
means A square plus
base
B square.
Yeah, that is good.
Ma'am,
A square plus B square.
is
Ma'am,
equal
but
to
when we say the top one, we just say altitude, right? We say altitude square.
You say that and study. Otherwise, you will say after some time you will forget the square and you will say only altitude plus base is equal to hypotenuse.
Yes,
Which is
instead
wrong.
of altitude, we can say A
Now
square.
tell me what if suppose if you studied no altitude square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now tell me if h square is given, you are given altitude square. How will you find the base square, children?
Minus.
Ma'am, we have to subtract.
Subtract. So h square minus altitude
square
square will
minus
give you
a square.
base square.
Is equal to base square.
Ma'am, we have to subtract, so we'll
Then
get the.
again, yes. Then
Ma'am,
again, if you are asked to find the base square or
Ma'am, altitude.
hypotenuse,
Altitude, right?
square.
Ma'am, we have to subtract
Base
the
square.
base from hypotenuse.
Yes, we have to subtract base square from
Ma'am,
hypotenuse square. You will get
find
altitude square, and if you subtract altitude square from hypotenuse square, you will get the
We'll get base square.
That also you write. Write the formula.
Yes, ma'am. We copied down just below everything.
Okay. So is this property clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am. This is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear,
So
ma'am.
you should understand the meaning. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the problems simply if you by heart. That's why I have explained using an example of a triangle erecting squares on that. So shall we proceed with the problems based on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
listen. One simple problem I'll give you, and we shall do with that. Yes. What is the time for your class?
Ma'am, 11:50.
Okay, one or two problems we can do. No problem. Okay, one problem I'm giving you. This is one right angle. Draw this. Write this in your lecture note. All of you. This,
Now we have to draw this figure, right?
Yes, yes. You have to draw the figure. This one is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Find the value of x. Find the unknown x. Find the value of unknown x. Value of x. This is given by the figure. You know it is a right angled triangle, isn't it? It's a right angle triangle. And how will you find the value of x? What is given here is altitude is given, base is given, and you have to find the hypotenuse.
Ma'am, so when we are doing, we have to also write the formula, right?
Formula. First you write down the formula. After that only you proceed with the problems. First you have to write the formula. What is the formula? Yes, Ashish, you need. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes, A square, that is enough. That is enough. Short form is also enough. Ashish, Unni, can you answer me? I'm not getting any answer from you. Ashish, hello. Switch on your speaker and tell me what is the formula. We have to apply what is PT, Pythagoras theorem.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ashish.
Ma'am, A square plus B square is equal to
A square plus B square is equal to
X square.
X
So,
square.
Yes, ma'am.
Hypotenuse square. Now we can take this as h, no? Hypotenuse is here. And
Yes,
this one
ma'am.
is
X is
altitude or base. If you interchange also no problem.
Ma'am, but still, when we write A for altitude, it will be like the same
90
letters.
degree. Yes, yes, which is falling on 90 degree, you can take as altitude, and which is on the base, you can take as the base. Now tell me,
Yes.
what will I substitute instead of A square? I can write. Yes, Nia?
Ma'am, 3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
A square, instead of A, I will write 3. So A square means 3 square.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus, what is B square, Anna?
Ma'am, 4 centimeter.
4 square is equal to Ayan. What is the h square?
7.
H square is not 7. Not 7. Now, this is what I told. You will be calculating simply base plus altitude as h. It is wrong.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
So, what it is x square? We don't know. X is it is given as x. We don't know. So, it is x square, isn't it? That is given as x. Listen carefully. That is given as x. We don't know. We have to find it out. So, we just add these two children. 3 square means 3 into 3.
Ma'am,
Plus 4 square.
9.
4 into 4.
Ma'am, x
Square is x into x. Isn't
Ma'am,
it?
x is equal to 25.
This is, wait. 9. 9 plus 4 into 4, 16.
Ma'am, 4 into 4, 16.
That is equal to x into x. Now 9 plus 16, 25.
25.
That is equal to x into x. Now tell me what will be x, children? This is 25. What into what is 25?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
4
hypotenuse.
into 5. 5 into 5.
Something, listen, something into
Five.
something is
Ma'am,
25.
5 into 5.
5 into 5. Isn't it? So what is the value of x?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Isn't it? Value of 5 is, value of x is 5. What into what? See, x into x is 25. Oh, what is x? 5. So we can write hypotenuse is, the question is find the value of x. So this is enough.
In one.
You are asked to find the
Ma'am, I don't
hypotenuse.
understand.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will got 5.
See here, this much, did you understand this much, Steve?
Yes, ma'am.
9 plus 16, okay. So 9 plus 16, we got 25, isn't it?
Yes.
25. Now, we know what is 25. 25 is x into x, right? This is x square. X square, it means x into x.
Okay.
X into x. Here also x into x. X is something into something is 25. What is that? Tables, you find out from the tables. That is,
Ma'am, so whenever,
5 into 5.
isn't it? 25.
ma'am, whenever we get a number, that number should,
Yeah,
like,
children, one more thing, you have to study study the squares up to 20 minimum till 20, like 11 into 11, 12 into 12, 14 into 14.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt.
Yes.
If it was instead of 25, it was 9, then the x index will be 3 into 3, right?
3 into 3, so x
Yes.
will be 3.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, it means
that's
5 into
multiply.
5.
Yes.
5 into 5, 25. That will become 5.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, if it was 36, we will write 6 into 6, x. So x is what? 6.
6. Oh, that.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am. It's not clear.
Now I'll teach you another thing, squares and square root. Wait, we will just do simple problems and make the Pythagoras theorem clear. After that,
ma'am, not completed, ma'am. Not
Okay.
completed.
Okay. Easy method to find the square root and all we have to find out. Squares and square roots you are studying in 8th standard. But before that, I will explain to you. You should be thorough with Pythagoras theorem. After that, we can see. First, we will do with simple problems. Then we can go to higher order problems. Okay, shall we pass on to the next question?
Time.
Yes, ma'am.
Attendance. No.
Okay, your time is still 11:50, no?
Yes,
Okay, okay, children. So I'll stop here. I'll take attendance. Next period we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have done it? I'll send the video. You have. You have. Yes, sir. Heading you have to write. And under that, below that, you write the theorem.